70 years of broadcasting history have come crashing to the ground this week at Rampisham Down in Dorset. The site once transmitted the BBC World Service to Europe, but now just a few mobile and TV masts remain. Simon Clemerson reports.
11 hours Greenwich Mean Time.
From Rampisham Down to the world.
The news read by Sandy Walsh.
For more than 70 years.
16 hours.
The true giants of broadcasting. But almost all the towers are now going.
So it's all disconnected now. But
Mark Harding-Rolls shows me what's really been happening in the Dorset countryside. Raw radio.
Lots of circuit boards.
Yeah.
Someone's paradise.
Yeah, definitely.
So Mark, this is the nerve centre. This is where all those BBC voices would be broadcast to the world.
Yes, there are 12 transmitters in here.
Welcome to Transmitter Hall.
Kilowatts of power.
Quite an operation.
Yeah.
The veteran transmitters use a system of trolleys on rails.
Technology is always changing. This is what the brave new world sounded like in the 60s.
To switch the trolleys from the sidings and into the particular transmitters where they're needed.
But some of it remains the same.
Frequency changing.
After decades of filling the airwaves, the BBC operation has now moved on. A solar farm has bought the site and another nearby. In the end, the company wasn't allowed to put up panels here because of the need to protect acid grassland. But to get planning permission on the second site, it had to agree to take the towers down. And so they are coming down, big time. Why do you have to fell the mast like a tree? Why can't you take it down piece by piece?
It's easier and safer to take it down singly. There's a rope attached to the top there. We cut the back legs down and then we can pull it over with the dozer machine. There's no people involved if we take them down this way.
No one climbing up it.
There's no one climbing up it, there's no one touching it, everybody's away from it.
Ready?
Very much a landmark. I mean, it's more aerials like that than we've seen in a long time. So they've been an eyesore for quite a long time.
Going to miss them?
Yes, I will. Yeah,
Why is that?
because they've always been there.
And you're glad to see the back of them?
I'm certainly glad to see the back of them, yeah.
As one after another are felled, they lie on the ground awaiting their final fate. A broadcasting graveyard may be too dramatic, but it is the end of an era. Simon Clemerson, BBC Spotlight, Rampisham Down.